How many of the kids you work with have really solid peer relationships? Like they really have good peer relationships? How many kids have really good adult relationships? Do they have boundaries? They have no boundaries with adults. Remember, when kids come from home situations, and it's not blaming the home by any means, but when I come from a home where I'm the little buddy, or I'm the sidekick, or I'm kind of an equal to the adult, then I'm going to come to school with a very mixed message as to what's the boundary line between adult and child. We have to say to kids, quite frankly, I use 3 words, and the 3 words are, we're in school. So when they say, I don't have to do, you can't tell me, we're in school. My mom said, we're in school. But my dad said, we're in school. And I use it over and over and over until kids get the message that when you're in school, it's different. I cannot change the way people do things at home, but I have to be aware that if there's blurred lines at home, then you're going to bring those into school, no matter how old you are.